I got things to do for New Year's because literally I'm just sitting in my room doing nothing. And a Rubik's Cube! I've actually never tried this. Can you do the Rubik's Cube? I have no clue. Scissors. Mm. Oh, cool. It actually comes with a stand. I clearly have never played with one. Get my stepdad one every year for Christmas. Have no clue. Oh, I don't want to mess it up yet. But I'm going to have to, aren't I? I don't know how to put it back together. But, no. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, so before I take it out of its perfect perfection, we got blue on the top. Well, not on the top, blue on the side, green on the side, orange on the side, red on the side, white here, yellow. So let's see, we got white with the Rubik's Cube actually on it. Then we have green. Then we have blue, orange, yellow. Okay, I'm gonna start off babyish. Okay. Yes, this is the baby version first. Now, let's put back together. Like I said, baby version. Okay. Do I want to get a little more complicated? Oh boy. Not excited about this part. Okay, dokie. So, let's see. This is like level 2 probably baby part. Probably the baby version of how to do this. Oh gosh, I'm going to try the hard part now. Oh boy, not sure if I'm liking this. Super scared. Okay, flip it. Okay, too many greens on one side. How do I fix that? Oh. Too many yellows here, so... Oh, there we go. One in the middle shouldn't really... Let's see. Oh boy. Not again. Okay. Oh boy. Told you I'm doing the harder part now, and I don't like it. Oh, you know what? That makes more sense. Why did someone create this game? You know, seriously, I'm asking, why would anyone think this is fun? I have zero patience for this thing. Oh boy. I like the easier version better. Okay, at this point, I'm wishing I hadn't touched the Rubik's Cube. Why did I think this was fun? Why did I think this was like goody? No, I just want this one to move. How do I get that one to just move? I don't know. And I'm talking to myself while trying to do this. Hey. Can I just keep like this?